This short video is intended to provide you with a brief overview of how to browse the course catalog and view the class schedule feature. Once you've signed into the portal, the system will display your student homepage by default. To access the course catalog and class search functionality, select the Manage Classes tile from your homepage. Once the tile is selected, the system will display your current class schedule. To browse the course catalog, select the Browse Course Catalog option on the left side menu. To search for a course, you have two options. Use the Search for Courses field or use the Additional Ways to Search link. In the Search for Courses field, input the search criteria to look up in the course catalog. For example, input the keyword of English to search for courses that include the word English and select the Search button. The system will return courses in the catalog with the keyword of English, and if applicable, default the return results to those offered at your home campus. To limit your search further, use the available filters on the left side of the page. For example, select the subject option of English to only return courses with the subject of English. The system will refresh the list and will have narrowed your search further by having applied both the subject of English and the campus of East Los Angeles College versus just searching on the keyword of English. To see further details regarding the course, select the course from the results list. For example, if you select the course English 101, the system will refresh and will show you the course details for the course. The information you view is what comes from the course catalog. You can select the View Classes button to see the currently scheduled class sections of that course. The system will display the available terms that you can choose from. To view the class sections available in the spring 2020, select that option from the list of available displayed terms. The system will refresh and show you all English 101 courses available in the spring 2020 term at East Los Angeles College. To view the class sections in another term, select the Change Term button at the top of the page. Choose an alternative term such as the winter 2020, and the system will refresh and show you English 101 courses in the winter 2020 at East Los Angeles College. Using the course information link above the class selection field, the system will expand the course section and display the course description and number of units from the course. This information comes from the course catalog. To see the details of a specific class section, select the hyperlink for that class section. If we select option 1 on the list, which is class 11343, the system will display a class information page and will show by default the enrollment information for that class. To view the meeting information, select the Meeting Information tab. To view class details, such as the location of the course, select the Class Details tab. It will also provide you with information regarding textbooks. Lastly, you can select the class availability to show you how many seats are available or if there's any waitlist room available in the class. To return to the class selection page, use the X to close the class information subpage. To return to the course detail page, select the course detail button on the top left of the page. To return to the main course catalog browse page, select the Browse Course Catalog feature on the left. An alternative way to search for courses in the course catalog is to use the Additional Ways to Search feature. Select the link and the Additional Ways to Search page will be displayed. Input the criteria for the course you wish to search for, such as a subject of accounting, and select the Search button. The system will return the results that match that criteria, as well as, if applicable, defaulting the results to home campus.